When I was buying this van called Betty, I learned two things. Everything is brand new and nothing can happen.
I take apart because I put new parts in. See, I put new wires,
Uh-huh.
new cap, new rotor, new distributor, new module, new cylinder, new sensor, all brand new. New spark plugs, everything is new.
Alternator as well, you said,
Brand
right?
new. Brand new. Starter, brand new.
And what do you think maybe what can be a problem in the future? If something, what?
Nothing. Nothing.
And then I started driving. Or better said, I tried.
What is that? I didn't even start. Let's try again. What the?
New sound in the house. Seems like that. Then she started sneezing white smoke. And the result was pretty much always the same.
Okay, so we are going nowhere.
Betty doesn't want to move, especially during street cleaning.
I don't know if you can see, but there is a guy and he's cleaning the street, but I cannot move.
It wasn't that easy. I was hoping. Oh, 38.
But even when she starts, she stops in the middle of the ride.
Hold on, I have to. Yeah, okay. Are you ready? But
Vidíš to? Tu to máš naživo, počúvaj ma, ideme na gas station. A bezdomovec ma tlačí. A ja idem cez križovatku jak... No pome, klani! Už je pár metrov!
The next day, she died and didn't want to start at the crossroad. So another car behind me pushed me through the entire intersection.
Okay, baby. That's beautiful. Nice, come on. Come on, we can do it.
And when Betty wants to be alone, she just locks herself.
so it happened again. My key is inside and I'm outside. Okay, so chicos, guys, they gave me this shit, so I'm trying to use it to open Betty. So let's see if it's going to work. Betty is waiting.
Sometimes I think she is just lazy and wants to take a taxi.
Okay, Betty. Time to visit the doctor.
Last time she died on the highway on my way to Joshua Tree National Park.
So we are trying to find service because no one wants Betty. I'm not surprised, but that's how it is. And they don't even know her. Imagine if they know her. They would say no without words.
However, I must admit that going to the national park by tow truck is quite stylish, no?
Nice.
But when you finally get to that park with this lady, you risk another thing: staying there.
Right, so Betty has own style.
By the way, all these problems are just details because Betty has something like cancer.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Descubriste algo?
Sí,
¿Y qué?
está quebrado el bloque.
¿Otro problema?
Sí,
¿Grande?
muy grande.
Every time you turn it off, and every time you're starting it, you're gonna put more stress to it, and eventually it's just gonna go. It'll just break off.
Imagine you are going to the car service to just replace flywheel and you find out that your engine is cracked. That's it.
On the other hand, as someone said, you have to try black first to be able to appreciate white.
Yes! Wow! Oh, that's really surprise. Yeah, little bit left, little bit. Down, down. Yes, now! Now push, 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 push. Push. Yes, push. Yeah! Yeah, man! Yeah! Yeah! They made it!
I told you we get it.
Man, you are the best! You are the best! My horn is not working, and my window neither, so always when I want to use horn, I have this party horn and I have to open the door and